Introduction. What is acetone? Chemical name for acetone is propanol. For formula is C3H6O. Acetone also known as ketone. For properties for acetone is colorless, highly flammable, evaporates quickly, solvent, dissolve fats, oil, wax, resins, plastic, and many more. Interesting fact about acetone. Firstly, release when read out. Body make acetone when burning fats, especially on keto or fasting. Secondly, can mix with water. Why? Because most chemical don't like mix with water, but acetone does. Thirdly, used in nail polish remover. It's super effective, but it can dry up skin and nails if used too much. 4 is very flammable. It can cause unexpected fire. 5 made by bacteria during World War I. Scientists used bacteria to make acetone for bullets and bombs during the war. And lastly, feels cool on skin because it evaporates super fast and take heat with it. That's why it feels cool but when it touches your skin. Next, acetone used in industry and body. For body, it byproduct of fat metabolism when fasting, starvation, keto diet, prolonged exercise or uncontrolled type 1 diabetes. It released by ready out. Secondly, for industry, used as a super solvent to dissolve plastic, synthetic fibers and more. Used in industry plastic, pharma, cosmetic and cleaning.
Common uses. It can be found in household items such as nail polish remover by acting as solvent to dissolve the polymer in nail polish. Acetone is a very common ingredient in many removers and even thinners. It is used in many products that requires it to use like an ingredient to remove stains. Its effectiveness, acetone-based removers are generally considered more effective than non-acetone removers. Other uses of acetone includes as a paint thinner. It also cleans glassware and lab tools. It helps dissolve adhesives and oils. It acts as a solvent in chemical manufacturing. It is also used in making plastic and fibers, which is talked in page 5. It is also used to store acetylene. There are examples of pictures over there. Other uses of acetone includes as a paint thinner. It also cleans glassware and lab tools. Acetone in everyday life. In everyday life, acetone can even be found in your own body. It is produced naturally when you or another person is fasting or during ketosis, which is a metabolic state. It is found in breath of people with diabetes or on keto diets, sometimes detected in medical tests for metabolic conditions.
Let's take a look at the chemical structure of acetone. Its molecular formula is CH3COCH3, also written as CH3COCH3. This means it has 3 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and 1 hydrogen atoms. Acetone belongs to a group of compounds called ketones because it contains a carbonyl group or a CO double bonds right in the middle of the molecule. On both sides of that carbonyl group, are two metal groups, making the structure perfectly symmetrical. It's a small polar molecule, so it mixes well with both water and organic solvents. Because of its size and polarity, Astane evaporates very quickly, and that's why it feels cool when it touches your skin. The heat from your skin is absorbed as the liquid turns to gas. Now let's talk about Astane's physical properties and more importantly, how to use it safely. Astane is a clear liquid with a strong, sweet smell that you might recognize from nail polish remover. One of its standout features is that it evaporates extremely fast, which is useful but also risky. When it evaporates, it absorbs heat, making your skin feel cool if you touch it. But be careful, Astane is highly flammable, which with a very low flash point, which means it can catch fire easily, even at room temperature. Inhaling too much of its vapor can cause dizziness, nausea, or dry skin, especially in places with poor ventilation. So when using Astane, always work in a well-ventilated area. Wear protective gloves and keep it far away from any flames or heat source. It may be fast and effective, but it's not something to play with.
Conclusion: Acetone is a widely utilized and multifunctional organic solvent in major industrial and human metabolic processes. Industrially, it is a chemical go-to compound for dissolving objects, producing plastic and drug and cosmetic manufacturing. In the human body, it is an endogenous byproduct of fat metabolism during fasting, ketogenic diets, and uncontrolled diabetes. While safe in controlled amount by a large, acetone is also combustible and potential irritant, and so proper handling in the workplace is imperative. Biologically, the presence of acetone in the breath or in urine signifies elevate metabolic rate or in some case a serious illness like diabetic ketoacidosis. Briefly, acetone is both chemical powerhouse and messenger of metabolism from chemistry labs to the human body.